The recipe we have provided today is more of a guideline than a set-in-stone ratio. Because at the end of the day, the shade of gold you want differs from the shade of gold we need. So, it is flexible and we will guide you through exactly what changes create which results. What exactly is gold food coloring? Well, it depends entirely on the type of product you buy. There are many different options out there, and some may be made with gold leaf, while others are made by simply blending colors. How to make gold food color? You will need to play around with the ratios of these colors to get the exact shade of gold that you want. Every time you add a color of this or that, write down more or less the shade of gold you are seeing. Now, if you thought that is all there is to how to make gold food color, you were wrong. The mixing of gel colors won't give you a shimmering gold gel. So, you will need to add a gold luster or powder to give it a more metallic look. Now that we have covered exactly why you are using our technique below, let's have a look at how to make gold food color the most effective way. What you will need in making food color gel. Ingredients: yellow gel color, red gel coloring, edible gold luster dust. Step by step. Step 1. First, you need to add about 5 drops of yellow to a stain-proof mixing bowl. Always start with a smaller amount and keep adding colors until you get the correct ratio. Then, you can make a larger batch of the amount that you need. Step 2. Then add 1 drop of red gel coloring to the yellow mix. Using a toothpick or metal spoon, mix the 2 ingredients until you have a uniform color. Once you have mixed these 2 colors, you should get some shade of gold. Step 3. Now, here comes the tricky part. You have to adjust the color to get the exact shade of gold that you'd like. So far, we have used a 5:1 ratio of yellow to red. By adding more drops of red food, you will get a more orange-like golden color. The color will also become darker. And, by adding more yellow gel color, the gold will become a lighter and brighter shade. But, if you add too much yellow, it will just become yellow. Step 4. Once you have the color of your choice, you can add the luster powder. Just add 1/4 teaspoon of powder at a time, mix it well, and see if you like the final results. Tips and tricks. We prefer using a toothpick over a metal spoon. A metal spoon grabs too much gel coloring, making it impossible to mix everything properly. A toothpick has a smaller surface area, so less color will be wasted. Do not mix the color directly into the frosting. You may end up overmixing the icing, which will cause it to get a toffee-like consistency instead of a fluffy one. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.